Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and it is February now, so you know what I had to do. I had to do a small haul to get some journaling supplies and some supplies that I needed for gifts for Valentine's. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a small haul. Most of the stuff, mainly the envelopes here, are from Aliexpress, and then I did go to Michael's and they were having like a 40% off the holiday stuff, and I got just two things there. So let's go ahead and get into these. So I'm gonna start with what I got from Michael's because I didn't get much there. The first thing that I got was this scrapbook paper pad. I got one of these for Christmas time and it worked perfectly in my journal with the size, and I thought these pages would be very Valentine's-like for me to use for my journaling. Very pretty, and then I can use them outside as well. But I just noticed that this really looks like Nezuko's pattern from Demon Slayer. What do you guys think? This was $5.99, and I was wrong. It's actually a 20% discount, so it was $4.79. Not much of a savings, but it will get put to good use. And the last thing that I got at Michael's were these die cut shapes. I thought maybe these could be used in my journaling if they're not too thick. They were $3.99, and with the 20% discount, they came out to be $3.19. They had a lot of other things there, but I knew I had a bunch of stuff coming from Aliexpress, so I only got these two items to see if maybe I will use them or maybe I won't use them. I don't know yet, but we will see. The first item that I got from Aliexpress were these stickers. They are some vintage stickers and they are Valentine themed. There are some of the patterns that are inside, but I'm going to open this up and let you guys see all of the patterns that it came with. Here are all the stickers that the set came with. And for the sticker set, you get 2 of each of the stickers, and I spent 92 cents on this, and it came with free shipping. This next package contains some more stickers. I got these pretty heart stickers, and there's a few different colors. It shows all of them on the back here. So there are 70 stickers in here and 10 different designs. And this sticker set was 57 cents, and it also was free shipping. This next package has a resin mold. I have an idea for this mold. I'm going to make something for my husband as his Valentine gift, and this mold was only $2.25, so I thought I'd give it a try. I haven't had any issues with any of the silicone molds that I have bought from AliExpress, so I wasn't too worried about it. It did have free shipping, and this is a shaker mold as well. So keep your eye out because there will be a video of me making something out of this Nintendo Switch lookalike mold here. And I'm excited to actually start crafting now. In this next package is something else that I want to make for my husband. I didn't know it was going to come with this many. I'm going to say that right off. But it's some more molds. This set was $2.94 with free shipping. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. They're supposed to be like little dog tags, but I have a really cool idea of something to do with these. It's okay that I have a few of them because then I can make some for a few different people at the same time. So I'm not too upset about it. I might give one to my sister eventually because she's starting to do resin things as well. And I spent $2.94 on this. It came with free shipping. And it's not that bad, considering that most likely if you were going to get this mold somewhere else, somebody's going to charge you, I don't know, $3 or $4 for a single one, and then the shipping as well. So now I've got plenty of these for making duplicate projects. And now for the last package from AliExpress. The first item is going to be these Valentine cutouts. And I believe these are also stickers. They might not be, but if not, I have no problem with using them in my journal. Oh, these are stickers. These little ones are stickers. And they're just some kind of like vintage-y looking Valentines. And then there's some of these Easter ones, which is pretty nice because Easter will be coming up. So I got a nice little set here for that. And some actual bigger cutouts. Look how cute this little kitten is. Oh my gosh, I got Christmas for next year. But the main reason I got this is because it has a lot of Valentine themed die cuts or stickers. I don't know. I think some of these are die cuts in here. These that I'm looking at right now are all stickers. Oh, some smaller ones as well. But oh wait, they're all stickers, so that'll make it really easy to stick into my journal. These were $2.84, and because I got them with this, it was no shipping charge. So I'm excited to get into these and start to create. And the last thing that I got in this package, if I can get it out, is washi tape. I needed some Valentine themed washi. I've got a nice collection going right now. I love this set. They are pretty big washi rolls and they're pretty full. So after this, I'm going to do a washi swatch. So stay tuned for that video and you can see how the quality looks. I have not been thrown for a loop at all with Aliexpress. All the washis that I've gotten have all been nice. Some of them are smaller rolls. These happen to be larger rolls, but they are all good quality so far, so I don't expect this one to be any less. I'm excited to do that video for you, so if you want to see these, make sure you hit the subscribe button and you'll be notified when I put that video up. And that is it for my Valentine supply haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the like button if you like to see haul videos, because I do them very often. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. I do crafts, I do paper theaters, I Twitch stream, I do everything, so make sure you're following me to be notified whenever I post. Other than that, you guys have a wonderful day. See ya!